Alright, let's cut straight to the chase. Uric acid buildup can be a real pain, especially for those suffering from gout. But don't worry, nature has your back with some amazing fruits that can help lower uric acid levels and keep you feeling your best. No long-winded intro here, just the facts with a touch of humor and a nudge to hit that like button. Ready to discover the best fruits for lowering uric acid? Let's dive in. 1. Cherries. The tart hero cherries, especially the tart variety, are your go-to fruit for lowering uric acid levels. They contain anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce uric acid in the blood. Plus, they're delicious. A win-win. 2. Apples. An apple a day. Apples are rich in malic acid, which can help neutralize uric acid in the body. They also contain fiber, which aids in overall health and digestion. So the saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might just have some truth to it. 3. Berries. Blue, black, and beyond. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which help lower uric acid levels. They're also anti-inflammatory, making them a great choice for anyone looking to reduce their uric acid levels naturally. 4. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C powerhouses. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce uric acid levels. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice or a squeeze of lemon in your water for a refreshing way to keep uric acid at bay. 5. Pineapple. The bromelain booster. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and can aid in lowering uric acid levels. Plus, it's a tropical treat that can transport you to a sunny beach, at least in your mind. 6. Grapes. Tiny but mighty. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce uric acid levels. Snack on them fresh, add them to salads, or freeze them for a cool treat. 7. Bananas. Potassium power. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps your body process and eliminate uric acid more efficiently. They're also easy to grab on the go, making them a perfect snack for busy days. 8. Watermelon. Hydration hero. Watermelon is not only hydrating, but also helps in flushing out excess uric acid due to its high water content. Enjoy it as a refreshing snack on a hot day, and your kidneys will thank you. A little humor to sweeten the deal. Managing uric acid levels might not be the most exciting task, but incorporating these fruits into your diet can make it a lot tastier. Think of your body as a garden. These fruits are the natural fertilizers that keep everything running smoothly. If you found these tips helpful or even just a bit fruity, hit that like button and share this video with friends who might need a little uric acid relief. And don't forget to subscribe for more health hacks that keep you feeling fantastic. So there you have it. The best fruits for lowering uric acid are cherries, apples, berries, citrus fruits, pineapple, grapes, bananas, and watermelon. Add these to your diet, stay hydrated, and keep those uric acid levels in check.